here's the care guide for the Sarracenia or the trumpet plants. Minsan yung tawag sa kanila is American feature plant. Paano ba sila alagaan? All you have to do is to put them sa direct sunlight. Yun lang. Kailangan nyo lang silang paarawan under, so naka-water tray sila. Kung malalim yung water tray nyo, okay lang yun. So, hayaan nyo lang silang naka-water tray, then nasa direct sunlight, yun. Tapos panoorin nyo lang silang mag-grow. Again, isa-isahin natin for the media, I'm using coco peat. Minsan nahalo ko ng perlite. So, yung ginagamit natin na media for Sarracenia. Then, for the water naman, as much as possible, yung mga mababa ang ppm na water. Kung nasa outdoor kasi, pag umulan yan, tapos may naka-tray kayo doon, malalaglagan na lang yan ng tubig. So, yun na mismo yung tubig niya. And kung kaya nyo mag-ipon ng tubig, pwede kayo mag-ipon ng tubig para yun yung gagamitin ng plants. Gagamitin yung pandilig doon sa plant. So, ganun lang kadali. Then, expose nyo lang sila. Actually, hindi tumakapin sa sunlight. Kahit buong araw siyang nasa initan, okay lang yan. It will thrive. Pero pwede rin kayo gumamit ng shade net kung medyo nararamdaman nyo na yung plant is medyo nagiging sobrang burn naman. Yun, you can adjust yung sunlight levels sa kanila. So, yun, basically, that's it. How to take care of Sarracenia or trumpet plants. Well, at least for me. Pero if you have inputs, ideas, or you have any question, just comment down below and I'll try to answer that in our next videos. So again, this is All of Insectivines PH and see you again sa aming mga next videos. And don't forget to, of course, subscribe na. Thank you!